Are you stuck in a 9 to 5 job dreaming of something more? What if I told you there's a way to build your own empire without quitting your day job? It's time to take control and shape your destiny. Today I'm sharing a proven 6-step game plan for aspiring entrepreneurs like you. Follow these steps, and you'll be on your way to creating a thriving online business. Alongside your current job, this isn't just about making money. It's about pursuing your passion and creating something lasting and fulfilling. The first step is to discover your niche. Dive into your years of experience and find that special skill where you truly shine. I have a free tool that can help you pinpoint your unique talent, your golden ticket to success. Step 2. Build your tribe. Next, launch a digital community around your passion. Whether it's coding, marketing, or anything else, start small, nurture it, and watch it grow. No selling yet, just give value to your tribe. Build that know, like, and trust factor. Step 3. Turn passion into cash. Once your community is established, it's time to turn your passion into cash. Create digital products like courses, coaching programs, or a paid community. Charge a reasonable fee, and you'll see a steady cash flow coming in. Step 4. Make sales your ally. Automate your sales process by turning live webinars into 24/7 sales machines. No more trading time for money. Your side hustle should work for you, not the other way around. Step 5. Expand your empire. As your business grows, expand your empire. Own a website, a learning platform, and a private community. Let it run itself while you empower your students to help each other. It's giving you more freedom and scalability. Step 6. Scale and soar. When your venture matches or exceeds your job income, you can decide if it's time to fly solo. But remember, this isn't a race, it's a journey. You can still love your job while building something extraordinary on the side. There's no shortcut, but there is a fast track. Embrace your community, add value, and solve problems. If you're ready to take control and shape your destiny, check out the link in the description for my free webinar where I'll share all the details and tools you need. Your journey to entrepreneurial freedom awaits, and I'll see you at the top.